The Goa and Nomundi mines are located in which state of India? A. Assam, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan, D. Jharkhand. D. Jharkhand. What is a fiscal year? A. A year that represents the financial reporting period for the government. B. A year with a surplus in government revenue. C. A year with a deficit in government revenue. D. A year in which tax rates are increased. A. A year that represents the financial reporting period for the government. The Constitution, Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes, Order, Second Amendment Bill 2022 was passed in December 2022 and is related to which state? A. Bihar, B. Uttarakhand, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Karnataka. C. Uttar Pradesh. Identify the Kuchipudi dancer from following who was awarded with Padma Shri in the year 202. B. A. Vidyanand Sarek, B. Padmaja Reddy, C. Dr. Veeraswamy Seshia, D. K.V. Rabia. B. Padmaja Reddy. Buddha Purnima is marked on a full moon day in the Hindu month of A. Vaishakh, B. Jaistha, C. Bhadra, D. Ashadha. A. Vaishakh. Which of the following is the official language of Afghanistan? A. Sinhala, B. Burmese, C. Dari, D. Dajonkha. C. Dari. Who started the temple entry movement in 1927? A. Mahadev Govind Ranade, B. Bhimrao Ambedkar, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Annie Besant. B. Bhimrao Ambedkar. In which state is Gobind Sagar, Bhakra Nangal project located? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Punjab. A. Himachal Pradesh. Pandit Ravi Shankar is known worldwide for playing which of the following musical instruments? A. Mohan Veena, B. Sarod, C. Bean, D. Sithar. D. Sithar. The Arabian Sea is an extension of which of the following oceans? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Southern Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Indian Ocean. D. Indian Ocean. Which of the following is a dimension of microfinance institutions (MFIs) in India? A. Outreach to rural areas, B. Loan interest rates, C. Investment in the stock market, D. Availability of credit cards. A. Outreach to rural areas. Shambhu Maharaj was a renowned guru of which of the following gharnas of Kathak? A. Lucknow, B. Jaipur, C. Raigad, D. Banaras. A. Lucknow. Which is the oldest stupa of the Buddhist period? A. Dhamek Stupa, B. Mahabodhi Stupa, C. Kesriya Stupa, D. Sanchi Stupa. D. Sanchi Stupa. Who conducts elections for both the Houses of Parliament in India? A. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, B. Election Commission, C. President, D. Prime Minister. B. Election Commission. The Third Battle of Panipat was fought in which of the following years? A. 1761, B. 1707, C. 1786, D. 1751. A. 1761. Untouchable is a novel written by A. Mulk Raj Anand, B. R. C. Majumdar, C. Premchand, D. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. A. Mulk Raj Anand. Which dance form is associated with Natwari dance? A. Kathak, B. Kuchipudi, C. Odissi, D. Kathkali. A. Kathak. Birsa Munda Hockey Stadium is one of the India's largest hockey stadium. In which state is this stadium situated? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Odisha, D. Chhattisgarh. C. Odisha. The directive principles are largely classified into three broad categories. Which of the following is not the part of this classification? A. Liberal, B. Socialistic, C. Gandhian, D. Authoritative. D. Authoritative. Which of the following countries did India defeat to clinch its maiden Women's Junior Hockey Asia Cup title? A. Japan, B. Chinese Taipei, C. Malaysia, D. South Korea. D. South Korea. Who among the following is the author of the book Sita, an illustrated retelling of the Ramayana? A. Ravinder Singh, B. Devdutt Patnaik, C. Amish Tripathi. D. Durjoy Datta. B. Devdutt Patnaik. Which soft metal in group 1 of the periodic table tarnishes within a few seconds of exposure to air? A. Barium. B. Sodium. C. Strontium. D. Francium. B. Sodium. The Kashad Mastiyeh or victory dance of tribe of Meghalaya is an ancient war dance performed during the prominent festival of the tribe. A. Bhoi. B. War. C. Khasi. D. Jantia. C. Khasi. What is the weight of the ball in handball for men? A. 425 to 475 grams. B. 325 to 375 grams. C. 525 to 575 grams. D. 225 to 275 grams. A. 425 to 475 gram. Which vitamin is needed for a healthy immune system, low light vision and healthy skin? A. Vitamin K. B. Vitamin B2. C. Vitamin B9. D. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin A.